Now, the organization that's going to actually be managing the process over the next 3 years of constructing the new facility is a company called Plenary Group. And in fact, they've created a new company called Plenary Health, which sits over top of a number of subcontractors that will work under their leadership. They were chosen as a result of a rigorous competitive bidding process that extended over several months, and it was very rigorous. So the reason that they got the business is because they earned it. And in a number of other events like this, we've invited their CEO, Mike Moresco, to address the organization in the audience, and he does so in a way that you would be hard-pressed to tell the difference between him speaking and one of the management team. He just has so much of a commitment to this project. He better have. It's going to last for 34 years. So he just does it so well, and he had intended to be here today, but unfortunately fell under the weather. And we all know what we say to people who fall under the weather going to a hospital event: stay home. So Mike is, I'm sure, having some chicken soup at home and recovering, I hope. Now, representing the Plenary Health organization and Mike Moresco is their Vice President, Budden. Brian?
Thank you, and thank you, Tom. And I send regrets on behalf of Mike. He's actually holed up in a hotel room in Toronto and unable to even fly home. So he definitely wanted to be here, but we're all, as a team, very excited about this. The celebration today obviously kicks off the start of construction for Bridgepoint, but we view it as much more than that. It's a recognition of all the hard work that has gone in. To get to this stage, we've heard from some of the local people who are represented and who led the process. We've had design development from Stantec and KPMB, the full planning, design, and compliance team. We've had many hours put in by and with the Ministry of Health, with Infrastructure Ontario, in order to launch the formal development program. And today is also recognition of the commitment and dedication of the Bridgepoint team itself. Most of all, though, today, we see this, and I think everybody sees this, as a key step towards fulfillment of the Bridgepoint vision. On behalf of Plenary Health, we're very excited and we're honored to do our part, as Tom said, for the next 34 years, to partner with Bridgepoint in achieving this vision, so that Bridgepoint can continue its pursuit of its vision of being a leader not only in Canada but worldwide in the delivery of complex chronic disease and disability treatment. So let me take 2 minutes to tell you who we are, who Plenary Health is. As Tom said, you can see some of the logos up there. Plenary Health is jointly owned by Plenary Group and Industry. Our partners include PCL, which is the largest constructor in Canada, and Johnson Controls, which is a world-renowned global leader in facilities management. This is a team, Plenary, PCL, and Johnson's, that's worked together very closely on many projects in the past. We plan to bring that, and believe we have been bringing that, to Bridgepoint to ensure a successful project here as well. We also have, on the design side, Diamond Schmidt, who's also here today, and HDR, who recognized leaders in the field, and we had RBC with us on financing. As a group, we've learned a lot about Bridgepoint over the last 18 months, and we've also come to know well the Bridgepoint leadership team. So I'd like to thank our partners, the people you see up here, but also Marion and her team for all the commitment, the vision, and the efforts that have been put in so far. On behalf of Plenary Health, we look forward to continued long-term success and achievement of the Bridgepoint vision. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you very much. And please pass along our regards to Mike and hope for a speedy recovery.